In this video, I will show you how to import contacts from VCF into Google Contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, go to the left side of your screen in your menu list, then click on Import. A pop-up window will then show. In here, you can now select a file you want to import, but make sure it's in the correct file type, which is .vcf, vcard format, as this is the standard mobile contact format. Then click on it. Your file manager will open, then select a file you want to import from your local machine. Once the file is selected, return to the Google Contacts pop-up. You will need to confirm the selection and inspect if it is in .vcf format. After confirmation, click the Import button to start the transfer. The system will then process the individual vCards contained within the file. You will then see a notification that you successfully imported the file, and your new contacts will immediately appear in your main contacts list. And that's how to import contacts from VCF into Google Contacts.